Hello, Tinmates and Tin Talkers! Ito na naman as requested dahil mahilig isang mga BAGRAID. Ang aking featured celeb ngayon is actually a good friend of Aramina na nakita nyo na sa aking previous BAGRAID. Hindi daw siya hindi. Umuha na siya agad yung sinabi ko, BAGRAID kita siya. Agad-agad. Kasi meron silang family date dito sa Hui Lau Shan sa Megamall 4th floor sa may atrium for the best mango desserts and drinks. Oh, cheers!
So yummy.
Yes! At syempre, knowing me, sinihit ko na tong BAGRAID.
Nagulat na ako, hindi ako nakapag-prepare. As in, hindi ko naayos yung bag ko.
So, sakto, hindi ho niya naayos ang bag niya. So, kung ano to, ito na talaga yon.
Ano na yun?
Yeah, so let's talk about your bag first, Say.
Okay.
Thank you, Say. Teka, kumusta ka na muna? Ilan ang kids?
I just gave birth 2 months ago, so I have...
Mommy, you can do it.
Ayan si Asher.
Yan si Asher! Wala si Asher!
I'm Spider-Man.
I'm
Spider-Man. You know, my son is also Spider-Man. Yun yung favorite niya. You should meet Neo. Fake ultimate favorite niya si Spider-Man. Here, Spidey. Here's your labo sword. There, that's your net. Ayun. So, 2 kids.
Two
Just
kids.
gave birth 2 months ago.
So I have a 2-month baby, 2-month-old baby boy. So
Two boys.
that's what keeps me busy. Pero labas pa rin naman ako if I have events or hosting gigs or mga ganito, mga ganap.
And so, the ever-busy mom, pero very hands-on mom, and prioritizes her being a mom.
Yes, family first.
Family first. Ako rin.
Like you.
Yeah, ako rin. Family first. Kaya nga, I vlog on the side kasi di ba mas hawak natin. Look, family first kaya kasama niya dito ang 2 babies and syempre si Ryan, the house. Nasa labas. So this is the mommy bag.
Yes.
So what's the history behind this bag? Ilang taon na sa'yo itong Prada bag?
Oh my gosh, this is one of my favorite bags. It's been with me for like 2 years.
2 years, so.
2 years, and I always bring it because it's black and it matches everything. And
Mom, stop.
alam mo naman tayo, di ba?
Yeah.
Minsan pupunta ka lang sa grocery or sa mall, biglang may magyayaya sa'yo night out.
Dire-diretso na.
Yeah, dire-diretso. Pwede siyang day to night gimmick.
Kasi nga, the hardware, yung style, yung size. Ano ka, binili mo, niregalo?
Niregalo siya ni Mami sa akin. Kasi nakita niya na kailangan ko daw na bag na pwedeng from day to night.
True. So, ito na yan. The favorite bag. The Lucky Prada bag. So, chichismisin na natin kung anong laman ng bag ni Say. So, I always ask the celebs, ano yung top 5 or top 10 things that you cannot leave home without? Ito na, show and tell tayo.
Okay.
Talagang pupunta.
Actually, everything in this bag, I cannot leave home without it.
Isa siyang bahay sa loob ng bag.
Nakakaloka, hindi ako nakapaghanda.
Parang bag ko lang yan.
Of course, my wallet because my driver's license is inside.
At pareho kami ng wallet. Ito na yung wallet ko.
Regalo sa akin ang asawa ko.
Regalo rin sa akin ang
Ay, ano
asawa
ba? Magagaling na asawa.
Hindi, no?
Regalo sa akin, siguro mga 8 years ago. Still okay.
yes.
Lasting. Kaya pag bumibili ka talaga from a good brand, it will last.
Yes, at ganito rin ang wallet ko, yung puputok sa dami ng pera. Yung ako maraming business cards, mga discount cards, mga suki cards, mga gift check kung gift check. At dadagdagan ko yung gift check mo dito sa Hui Lau Shan.
Wala yung GC ko dito sa Hui Lau Shan.
Ganyan din ako. Besh! Okay, wallet, show and tell. Dito na nilagay. What else?
I have my cell phone.
Cell phone, of course. Us moms. Cannot leave home without us. Us moms. Yes. Mapapraning ako pag nawalan ako ng juice.
Yes, exactly.
May juice tayo lagi.
Yung sa akin, meron na siyang cord ng iPhone.
mawawala.
At saka ng
Uy, galing. 2-in-1.
Yeah, pero wala naman akong Android.
Oh. Yes. Tatlo na yan.
Kasama ko kasi yung anak ko. So, meron na ang gatas niya. Kasi minsan din namin dinadala yung baby bag. Pag mabilisan lang, so yung gatas nandito.
So obviously, the mommy bag doubles as a baby bag.
My car keys.
So you drive.
Yes, I drive. Or my husband or pag coding, I think.
This anytime, ready to
I have
drive.
my medicine kit thing.
Yes.
And you know what? I like this brand, Zippies, because it's reusable and you can use it, you can wash it, and it's very durable, and you can use it for food. Yeah.
Ay, okay parang it's the thicker version of the other famous brand.
Yeah, and it's a Filipino brand.
Oh, Pinoy!
Siya daw
Gusto ko
gumawa nito eh. Siya
yan!
gumawa nito eh.
So, mom din siya?
Mommy din
Out
siya.
of a need, naging business.
Oo.
Hi, Zippies! Padalag mo lang
Zippies
ako.
naman na.
I'm
Oh,
open.
for sure. Sabihin ko.
Oo. Kasi I'm a zip lock girl.
Anything
Ano yan?
medium, may smaller and may bigger
May big
size. For
Panalo.
makeup, for food, for baby food, for liquids.
And reusable.
Yeah, I like her. She's very nice.
Thank you, Zippy Mom.
Yeah, it's my medicine.
Nice. Stick pa.
I
Nice.
have a pen.
Oh, I have a pen.
I have an apple. Okay. Yeah,
Siyempre,
because we...
pen.
I have a pen. I have an apple. Apple pen.
Okay, ilan na to? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Siyempre, I am not
7.
Hindi naman ako kikay, ma'am. Kung kasama yung mga
Oo naman, lipstick is life. Hindi ako aalis ng bahay. Kahit magka-earthquake ko, makikita nyo ako naka-lipstick ako. Tsaka nakakilay.
Ang dami ng sinabiglaan. So,
Ito na ang must-haves.
this is my, yeah, I have a all-purpose brush.
Ano siya? Oh.
All-purpose brush.
All-purpose
Well, that's what I call it. I don't know what people call it.
Yes.
You can use it for powder and for blush on, and if you go like this for contour.
Oh, nandito na yung blush on sa loob?
Hindi.
Akala ko may magic powder sa loob. Pag
This is my
ginano,
blush.
may powder na. Ayun. So may
This is
ano
my-
ito naman ng blush?
My contour.
Contour.
Hindi
So
ako-
kailangan dahil maputi ka, Miss Lisa, kailangan mag-contour para may
Kailangan ilagay
color.
ngayon kasi ano lang eh.
So ito yun.
Lipstick lang ako ngayon, tsaka powder.
Oh, pero ito yan? Hindi.
Hindi. Ito yung blush ko.
Yun. So ito yung mga favorite makeup essentials mo.
Ito yung ano, nasa bahay.
Okay.
Mas maraming nasa bahay yung pag talagang
Oo,
mag-makeup.
career kung career.
Kasi nga-
Ito ano to?
Mommy, what is over there?
Yes, your mom is there.
It's a lip. It's a lip.
Si Ryan mo yung, si Asher Tordo yung naririnig nyo. Ayan,
nandyan
ating
siya,
co-host.
siya yung nagvi-video.
Oo, siya yung nagvi-video.
What?
Lippy.
What
It's a body
are you
shop.
doing?
Lippy, lippy.
Body shop. Matte lip liquid 034.
Buddy, come on, buddy.
Yun, yun na yun.
Medyo nude pink siya. So,
Nude
para
pink. Ganda,
kung gusto
bagay
mo-
sa'yo.
Kung gusto mo fresh lang, yung hindi masyadong harsh.
Oo.
Perfect for selfies and stuff. Ito yon.
Perfect for selfie.
And it stays on the whole day. So,
Oo,
matipid siya.
panalo.
And talagang promote ko siya. Sa body shop, you can buy it for like less than 500. It's really cheap.
So, practical.
And then,
Wala na naman, nailabas na. Meron pa ba?
powder.
Powder.
And lip balm.
Lip balm. Sponsors by to or loyal ka lang talaga sa
Dahil
product?
ako dyan. Itong sponsor.
Meron akong ganito, in order ko lately lang.
Asher's Mother's Day
Oh,
gift.
ito close up ko. Look ko, Asher.
Ayan.
Asher, our cameraman, can you close up it? Your card that
give
you
this to
gave
me?
to your mom. Look at it. Oh, Asher, can you read it? Babasahin mo si. Anong sabi?
Dear Mom, Happy Mother's Day. I love you, Asher.
Ang ganda na sulat ni
Erase
Asher.
niya, tapos ito yung sa kanya.
Oh.
Yung dulo, A, B, C, D, E, F, G.
Cute. So, see, as a mom, alam mo ganyan din ako say, makikita mo din sa bag ko may mga notes na nakatiklop na galing sa mga anak ko, mga drawing. Mga bag ko.
Wait, Mommy, what are you doing?
Wala ba?
Tanong ka na naman. Yes, Asher. What were you asking?
No, go.
Yogo?
Yes.
Yogo.
Yung yogurt.
Yogurt. You want a yogurt drink.
want a
Yogo ang tawag.
Yes.
Okay. Ito you want? This is really good. It's strawberry
Strawberry milk.
Ito, you want strawberry milk?
No.
Yummy.
You wanna try it? It's so yummy. But this is really good. Ngayon ko lang ito natikman ha. So dito sa Hui Lau Shan, hindi lang mango desserts or drinks. Any fruit desserts meron sila. Like this one, strawberry meron, kiwi meron, and others. Yan, really good.
Wala na, yun lang. Mga puro lipstick, alcohol.
Oh, ayan na syempre. Mayroong alcohol. Alam naman tayo. Lipstick, concealer.
Ang dami naman ng bago.
So ito,
Iba-ibang shade din
nililipat-lipat
lipstick.
mo pa to. Pag naglipat ka ng bago sa isa mo pang nililipat.
Meron akong zippies na para dito.
For the makeup naman.
Hiniram kasi ni Asher for his toys.
Beijing Zippy Mom.
Padala ba kayo?
Padala na for the makeup of the mom.
Oo, diba?
So there you have it. So ano yung advice mo sa mama mo when, you know, when going out, when traveling, tapos kailangan yung bag, yan yung dala-dala nila. What shouldn't they forget? What should they just leave home? Iwan na.
Siguro mas okay kung organized tayo. Actually, mas organized talaga ako kasi bigla lang talaga.
Actually, organized naman, no?
Normally, everything is in a zippy's pouch. Like, all the makeup, like this.
Me
Tapos
also.
lahat ng mga pang-gadgets nasa isang pouch.
Ay, pareho tayo, organizer freak ako. Pouch
Para
galore.
pag mo, pouch na
Yes,
lang. Hindi din
correct.
uso sa akin. Dati nagbabag organizer ako. Kaso lang parang, ewan ko parang
Sa akin, hindi pa rin
bag na siya
kasha.
na maliit eh. Mas gusto ko yung nakapack
Ganyan,
talaga siya
tama.
na ganito.
Pouch siya.
So yun, and siguro get a bag that's big enough for everything. Kasi pag nagmamadali ka,
Yeah.
you're gonna throw everything there.
Correct, correct.
Parang hindi mo siya hiwa-hiwalayin. Lalo na, nagtatak nga ako, wala pala akong wipes dito. Baka nandun sa isang...
Ito naman, kompleto naman siya dito. Okay, left shot, pan, yan, nandiyan na for the baby. Ayan ang wipes, diba? So yun, so thank you, C. Oh, last pala question, I always ask the celebrities pala. Kung ikaw ay isang bag, ano ka at bakit? Anong characteristic ng bag na meron ka bilang isang mom?
Siguro, ako...
Kung ikaw isang
Kung
bag.
ako isang bag, ako isang Chanel 2.55.
Oh, Chanel 2.55.
Black.
Black. Okay,
Oo.
kasi
Kasi-
yung double flap, classic.
Double flap classic.
Yes, kasi-
Because it's a classic, it goes well with anything, even if you're wearing jeans or shorts or a nice gown, it's gonna look good.
Yeah, and let the bag speak for itself.
Yeah.
The bag alone.
Kahit naka-chinelas ka, nakabag ka naman.
So if say were a bag, she would be that 2.55 classic. Kasi
Double flap.
Double flap kasi siya yung classic beauty, classic nanay. Thank you,
Thank you, girl.
Thank
Thank
you.
you, ma'am.
And thank you again sa ating location dito. Thank you, Josh.
Andun siya!
Take two. Yun siya. Take two. Thank you, Say.
you,
And
Mamu.
thank you to our good family friend, Josh Versoza and family for allowing us to shoot here sa Hui Lau Shan, their first branch dito sa Megamall. So stay tuned for their other branches here in the Philippines.
Josh, ang kulit. Ginagawa slide to.
Slide. Playground din ho to, itong Hui Lau Shan. So remember to smile every day. Cut! Big smile every day!